It's been a magical morning for our Blockheads. Reunited with their families after 11 long weeks and enjoying a French breakfast made by none other than Matt Moran. Throughout the series, there's been a certain amount of talk by a certain contestant about a certain superhero. And I thought I'd take it upon myself to take that talk one step further. Andy, could you come up here, please?
Super Safety Man came out behind the curtains. Looked very familiar.
Hello, Shelley. Watch your step, Shelley. Watch your step.
I'm sorry. God, he looked good in that outfit.
I tell you what, not too much laughing from you lot, because when I heard the word superhero costume, I immediately thought, this has to become a challenge, doesn't it?
Yes, a challenge.
And you know what? I think one superhero is never enough.
Never.
Is it? It's superhero costumes for all.
I'm just the messenger.
We had to run up and pick up our superhero costume, and in the colours that obviously your house colours.
Oh my God, there's actually undies.
Go superheroes, go.
Blockhead Hero Academy assemble. Introducing Mega Mitch and the Insurance Adjuster. Pointy-Hat Girl and Kid Canary. Super Safety Man and Diplomatic Deb. Captain Nip-Slip and the Emotional Girl. And finally, Argument Angel and Mighty Mel.
We look like a bunch of characters from Kick-Ass.
It was cool.
Then we go to the park on a balmy winter's day.
I was so excited. As soon as I set my eyes, and the kids as well, set their eyes on the merry-go-round, the Ferris wheel. Yeah, I was pumped.
A2 had a smoothie tent set up, and it was cold, but it was still lots of fun.
You look amazing! Yes!
Thanks to the A2 Milk Company, who not only flew down your family and friends, they are putting up the prize money for today, which is $5,000. And of all the block contestants in block history, no one needs money like you lot. Not only that, after the cunning play by Tess and Luke last week, the bonus point name is up for grabs. So $5,000 could turn into 15 come Sunday.
So to have the kids there today, like the fight was on, we needed to win this money more than ever.
Scotty and I have worked so hard on this challenge. It is a blockstickle course. Ooh. This is here to represent your time on the block. So the first stage, of course, was you're all humble backpackers in your sleeping bags. The first challenge today is a sleeping bag sack race.
And on your time on the block, you have all become master renovate as well. Some of you have. So second base is a hammer and nail skills test.
One thing you've all learnt on this series is how to navigate the judges' feedback.
Oh, gosh.
So obstacle number 3 is the judges' obstacle course.
And the real reason you came on the block in the first place is to make money.
Oh,
so
yeah.
your final obstacle is a cash grab that will literally blow you away.
This could be the funnest challenge that we get to do. It's an obstacle course. $5,000 from A2 up for grabs, and also little Nomi.
Oh, and I almost forgot.
Oh, what?
Obviously, we need some serious referees to make sure that all the superheroes here get fair play.
Who?
A couple of school teachers from Geelong. Welcome them back, Block faves, Ben and Andy!
And Ben and Andy were the referees, previous Blockheads. They're full of beans.
Mitch and Mark, you're first. Let's go.
It went in house order, so Mitch went up first.
I'm tipping a classic potato sack hop here.
The traditional hop where they've been told no running.
No.
It must be jumping.
The best part was Mitch went first. And yeah, he did everything wrong.
His first obstacle, the sleeping bag sack race.
On your marks, get set, go!
Here he goes, he is off, and Mitch is off and flying. Oh, he's down, he's down.
He's really struggled there.
Okay, oh, he's lost his pants in the process.
Mitch now has to move on to the hammer and nail skill test. Hammer 10 nails as fast as he can. Every nail he doesn't hit is a 10-second penalty.
Whoa! Whoa! Is this a disqualification?
Mitch has lost the plot.
Good, done.
It's a big nail foul from Mitch there.
Okay, over to the Neil Whittaker helmets.
The eyebrows give it away, don't they?
Next, the judge's obstacle. He has to navigate a course with a 6-foot pole on his head without knocking over. What's he doing?
This is carnage all over.
Oh, that's two. Come on, you can do it. Yes, yes. Through.
We knew what not to do when Mitch went through the obstacle course. Let's just say that much.
Last obstacle. Mega Mitch will have to battle a massive fan and a slippery floor on his bare feet to grab a wad of cash at the end.
She's doing very well at this one. And he's got the cold water out. This is not good. Bitch.
Ready, set, go!
The insurance adjuster is next. Let's hope he's got enough coverage for the both of them.
Yeah. Oh, God, yes! Yes!
Well, this is where Mitch lost it.
He's on fire.
But will he keep his head or any of the judges' heads from knocking over the 12 items?
Here we go. Watch Shayna, watch Shayna.
And he's through. Yes! Well done.
Outstanding.
And he is off, taking it slow, getting down low. Here he goes. Watch out for the slip. And he has got the money!
Mark sails through with a combined time of 7 minutes and 37 seconds.
All right, ready, set, go! Go, 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 go. Come on, jump harder.
House 2 are next, and Luke is off and racing.
Get to Andy, quick, quick, quick.
The first of our female competitors, Tess from House 2.
Go, 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 run, jump, go. The sleeping bag is down.
She's through, so that was fast.
To me, it was a matter of, all right, get it done.
Now, I know this woman is a perfectionist.
She's not today, Shell. Now the chippy from Cairns should be right at home here.
2 more, yes!
One to go, Luke, and you have nailed this part of the obstacle course.
I love it, Kel.
Thank you very much. Moving on, all right.
Judges' obstacle course next.
Yes, perfect, great job.
Bring it home. Nice work, Ted.
Watch out, here we go.
He's got it. Well done, Lukey. Ducky. Through he goes.
Go, go, go! Stop wasting time, you idiot! Here he goes.
Oh, he's over.
Straight away.
Full steam ahead, and yeah, straight on my ass.
She's close. She's gone. She's got it. Slow and steady. Stop the clock.
Shell, we've got some times coming in just from the timekeepers right now.
We
and,
certainly do.
It's amazing to think that the boys are actually in front on 7:37. 7 minutes
right.
37 combined time.
That's it. House number 2 sits at 8:47, so it's really going to be up to Andy to make sure that house number 3 takes out house number 1.
It's all happening here at the Winter Olympics because it's bloody freezing.
And here we have super safety man himself.
You can never be too safe.
I just had fun with it. You know, I wanted to just go around like the superhero I should have been.
Ready, set, go! Let's go!
He's off. He's going. He's away.
Go!
He goes,
Yes,
Dad.
let's go, let's go!
I think I did really well with the sleeping bag.
Yeah, drop that back. Pick it up.
There she is, through the first phase.
Then I managed to hit quite a few nails in.
Straight as a tack. Well done on number 5. Go, Deb.
Now remember, every nail Andy doesn't hit in flush is a 10-second penalty.
Good, you're dominating.
He's going to get them all in. He saved that one too. This is incredible.
And he is on to the judge's obstacle.
Go.
Good job. Deb set an unbelievable time. This is what it is. This is what it means. Get through. Do you want it? How bad do you want to know me?
Oh, over the top. Oh, nice.
Yeah, Ben is offering some
Nice,
great encouragement with the bonus
nice. That was very good.
I fell over on the slip and slide.
Yeah, our kids, they were cracking up. They loved to see Mum and Dad being every ounce of dignity.
The final obstacle is the A2
Look at the method.
grab. This is where his height may play a bit of a problem. No, he's
Oh.
got the cash.
It was a final lunge. Yeah, I really needed that money.
She can smell the A2 cash. And she's got it. Stop the clock. go, sister.
Every Sunday night, we speak to the kids and they always ask if we've won a challenge. And for the last couple of weeks, it's definitely been no, we haven't won. We need to win this money to show that we do try, we don't give up.
Ready, set, go, 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 as quick as you can. Get
Whoa, that was a big first jump.
Look at it go.
I've got to give it all. Kids were cheering, so yeah, just started jumping like anything in the sleeping bag.
Here we go. Oh, we've got one nail down. Another one down. Good work, Elise. So far, she is
Getting
the
excited.
fastest.
I thought this would be a nice little spot to be able to get through quickly. Being chippy, I knew I had to hit them pretty good. Got through that.
Superman has certainly been drinking his A2 this morning. He is going so well on this particular challenge.
Yes, that's good effort.
Tricky height here too.
Oh my gosh, oh
Yeah,
my
you're
God.
No penalties so far.
Lots
Look at this.
Lots of encouragement here from her youngest son. She's
Look
through.
at this.
Oh,
That's amazing.
she's done it.
One of the best, one of the best.
I'd be going, there it is, there's the tilt. I predicted that.
With my height, I'd watched Andy previous do a bit of a tilt thing with the judges to get through, so I thought, well, I might try the same method, and it seemed to work. Got through there reasonably okay.
Go, run, go, run.
Don't let the feet leave contact with the man.
Go back on the one.
There is so much at stake here. Oh, the fastest time we have seen on the A2 money grab.
I think with the time that I put down and the combined score with Elise, I had a feeling that we might be around the top of the leaderboard.
Matt and Elise's time of 3 minutes and 39 seconds has put them into first place.
That is who Jessie and Mel have to beat going into the last two competitors of the Blockstickle Games.
I think they can do it.
I'm going soccer, Mum.
So as soon as that horn went, I was gone.
Look at her go now. She's like a jackrabbit in that sleeping bag.
3 seconds, took it off to the next challenge, which was hammering the nails.
She's got one. She's left one behind, Shell.
I had my technique, but then by the end of it, my hands were just ruined. Next obstacle was weaving the judges.
Oh, this is magnificent.
This is fun.
I actually did really well on that. I think being short helped.
She's going low below the obstacles. This is unprecedented. Oh, brilliant.
I was a little concerned about the slippery fan run.
My bloody hands are stuck.
I got a good tip was go quick, and that's what I did. I just pretty much went really fast.
Go, she's slight, she's quick.
Jessie is going to have to bring it home strong for team number 5 to knock them out of the park.
Scotty and Shelley had a quick pep talk to me before I started and told me that I needed to beat 1 minute and 39.
You've only got one team to beat. Matt and Elise, off you go.
I knew they would be.
Come down to the nails. He's
racing.
The bag was easy, smashed that out. Got to the hammers, I was a wizard on those.
I tell you what, the competition is
He's
tough.
look at the nailing go. He's good on the nails. He's lost that one. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
That's going to be costly.
All right.
Then I got to the obstacle course for the judges.
What are we up to, Shell?
We're up to 42 plus
52.
52.
52.
There he is. What technique is he going to use?
I've had a difficult time evading the judges' comments.
These are tense times. No.
Oh, look, he's coming unstuck. The wheels are coming off the wagon here.
That's it. He's
Oh,
dropped one.
he's dropped one.
So we are at 1 minute 10.
So that slowed a bit of time down, got a penalty in there.
This is going to be an incredible finish.
And then the last one was when I had to do the slip and slides.
Oh, you've got 10 seconds.
Coming into the final thing, his time was really close to ours.
He's got about 10 seconds to do this.
Here he goes. Jessie is down.
Who goes?
He's after the nose.
Shell.
He's not going to do it. We're stopping at 1 minute 28. But he did get time penalties. So I think we have to make the call here. And even though that was an extraordinary finish,
There's some time penalties coming in, Shell, from the hut.
that is it. I am saying that with his time penalties, the prize is going to Matt and
It's unbelievable.
Elise! Yay, we won!
won a challenge.
We won, and we won in front of the kids. And we couldn't be any more prouder, and they couldn't be prouder of us.
I want to recount.
If it wasn't for Darren's head knocking over the styling piece, we would have won.
So close.
I am blaming the judges again.
See, Jessie, don't ever mess with the judges, love. They always come back to bite you.